Getting a library card.
Excuse me, is this the right place to get a library card?
Yes, it is. Welcome. I can help you with that. It only takes a few minutes.
Oh, good. I just moved to Portland and I love to read.
That's wonderful. We love new members. Do you have a moment to fill out a form?
Yes, I do. What information do you need?
I just need to see a photo ID and something that shows your new address.
For my ID, I have my driver's license. Is that okay?
A driver's license is perfect. And for your address, a piece of mail like a phone bill works well.
I have my new electric bill. Here are both documents.
These are great. Thank you. Now please just fill out this short form with your name and phone number.
Okay, it looks very simple.
It is. It's a piece of cake. Let me know if you have questions.
I'm all finished. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me just type this into the computer. All right, we are all set. Here is your brand new library card.
That was so fast and easy. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You can use it right now to borrow up to 20 books.
20 books. I'm on cloud 9.
We also have movies and music you can borrow.
This is amazing. Thank you again for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy exploring the library.
I will. Have a good afternoon.
You too.
Mailing a package.
Good morning. I need to mail this package to Italy.
Good morning. All right. Have you filled out a customs form for it yet?
A customs form? No. What is that?
It's a form for international mail. You just need to write your name, the address, and what is inside the box.
Oh, okay. Where can I get one?
Right here. I can help you with it. It's a piece of cake. What is in the package?
It's a birthday gift for my grandmother. A book and a small painting.
That's lovely. On the form, just write book and painting and their value.
Okay, I can do that. Thank you. I'm finished. Is this correct?
Let's see. Yes, that looks perfect. Now, please put the package on the scale.
Here you go.
All right. You have a few shipping options. The fastest way takes 1 week but is more expensive.
And the other option?
The slower way takes about 3 weeks but it costs less.
Her birthday is not for another month, so the slower option is fine. I'd like to save a buck.
Sounds good. Then your total is $28.50.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
My pleasure. Here is your receipt with the tracking number so you can see where the package is.
That's very helpful. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too.
Meeting a new neighbor.
Excuse me. Hello. I see you are moving in.
Oh, hello. Yes, today is my first day. I'm David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm your next-door neighbor, Emily. Welcome to the building.
It's great to meet you, Emily. Thank you for the welcome.
Of course. If you need anything, please let me know. Moving is a lot of work.
It is. Actually, I do have one quick question.
Fire away. I'm happy to help.
I need to set up my internet. Do you know which company provides service to this building?
Oh, that's a good question. Most people here use a company called Connect Fast.
Connect Fast. Okay, I will look them up. Is the service good?
It's pretty good. The speed is fast and I don't have many problems.
That's great to hear. It's always hard to know which company to choose.
I understand. It can be a pain in the neck to set all that stuff up.
Yes, it is. You have helped me a lot.
It's no problem at all. Are you from Atlanta?
No, I just moved here from Florida for a new job.
Well, welcome to Georgia. It's a great state.
Thanks. I am excited to explore the city.
Well, I'll let you get back to your unpacking. Don't hesitate to knock on my door if you need to borrow a tool or anything.
That is so kind of you. Thank you again, Emily.
You're welcome. See you around, David.
See you.
Advice at the pharmacy.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question? I'm looking for some cold medicine.
Of course. I'm the pharmacist. I can help. What are your symptoms?
I have a bad headache and a runny nose.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have a fever?
No, I checked my temperature this morning. I don't have a fever.
Okay. And do you need to work or drive today?
Yes, I have to work this afternoon. I can't take anything that will make me sleepy.
I understand. You need a non-drowsy formula. Let me see. This medicine right here is very good for daytime use. It helps with headaches and runny noses.
And it won't make me tired?
That's right. It's made specifically for daytime, so you can get on with your day.
That sounds perfect. How many pills should I take?
The directions say to take 2 pills with a glass of water.
Okay, and how often?
You can take it every 6 hours, but don't take more than 6 pills in one day.
Every 6 hours. I will be careful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Also, be sure to drink plenty of fluids, like water or tea.
I will. I really appreciate your advice. I was at sea with all these options.
It's my pleasure. I hope you start to feel better soon.
Me too. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Take care.
A simple haircut.
Hello. Welcome to the modern cut. Do you have an appointment today?
Hi, no, I don't. I was just walking by. Are you busy?
It's your lucky day. I just had a cancellation. Please, have a seat.
Great, thank you.
So, what are we doing for you today? A trim or a new style?
Just a simple trim, please. I want to keep the same style, just shorter.
You got it. How much would you like me to take off the top?
Not too much, maybe about an inch. I'm trying to grow it a little.
An inch is perfect. And what about the sides? Do you want me to use the clippers or scissors?
I'm not sure. What is best? I just want it to look neat and clean.
I think scissors will look more natural. I can start, and you can tell me if it looks right.
That sounds like a great plan. I'm always nervous my hair will be too short.
I hear you. We'll take it step by step. No surprises. Do you want me to wash your hair first?
No, a dry cut is fine, thank you.
Okay, let me just put this cape around you.
This is a very nice salon. It's my first time here.
We're happy to have you. We try to make everyone feel at home.
I do feel comfortable. Thank you for being so helpful.
It's my pleasure. All right, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's get started. Just relax.
At the farmer's market.
Good morning. Everything looks so fresh and colorful.
Good morning. Thank you. We picked everything from our farm just yesterday.
That's wonderful. I have a question about these apples. What kind are they?
These are Honeycrisp apples. They are very sweet and crunchy, perfect for eating fresh.
They sound delicious. Are they good for baking a pie?
They are okay for pie, but if you want the best pie, I recommend the Granny Smith apples over there.
The green ones? Aren't they very sour?
They are a little sour, but that's what you want for baking. When you add sugar, the flavor is perfect.
Oh, I see. That's a great tip. Thank you.
No problem at all. I've been baking pies for 30 years.
Then you are the expert. I will take your advice. How much are the Granny Smith apples?
They are $3 a pound.
Okay. Can I get about 2 pounds, please?
You got it. I'll get you a bag. Anything else today? Our carrots are the cream of the crop this week.
They do look good. I will take 1 bunch of carrots too.
Excellent choice. So that's 2 pounds of apples and 1 bunch of carrots.
That is everything. Thank you.
All right. Your total is $8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Enjoy your baking.
I will. Thanks again for the great advice.
Anytime. Have a wonderful day.
A trip to the vet.
Good morning, Mr. Jones. And hello, Rocky. Please, come on in.
Good morning, Dr. Chen. Rocky is a little nervous today.
Don't worry, boy. We'll take good care of you. So, are we here for a regular checkup?
Yes, it's time for his yearly exam, but I also have a small question.
Of course. Let's get him on the exam table first. What's on your mind?
He hasn't been eating his food very much for the past 2 days.
I see. Has he been drinking water normally?
Yes, he drinks plenty of water. He just doesn't seem interested in his food.
Okay, let me do a quick exam and see how he is. Well, his heart sounds strong and his ears are clean. Let me check his teeth. Ah, I think I see the problem. It looks like one of his back teeth is bothering him.
A toothache? Oh, the poor guy.
It's a common problem. It's not serious, but it can make it uncomfortable for him to eat.
The truth comes out, so that's why he is not eating. What can we do?
I can give him some medicine for the pain, and we should schedule a dental cleaning for him.
Okay, a dental cleaning sounds like a good idea.
For now, try giving him some soft food instead of the hard kibble. That will be easier for him to eat.
That makes perfect sense. I will buy some soft food on my way home.
Great! He should be back on his feet in no time with the medicine.
Thank you so much, doctor. I feel much better now.
My pleasure. You can make the appointment for the cleaning at the front desk.
I will. Thank you again.
Take care, Mr. Jones. Feel better, Rocky.
A night at the movies.
Hello. Welcome to the Grand Cinema. Which movie would you like to see?
Hi. 2 tickets for King of the Jungle, please.
Of course. And which showtime? We have a show at 7 p.m. and one at 9:30 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 6:45 p.m. right now.
Okay, the 7 p.m. show is perfect. We have just enough time.
Great! For that show, we have assigned seating. You can choose your seats on this screen.
Oh, okay. It looks like the theater is pretty empty.
Yes, it's a Thursday night, so it's not too busy. The blue seats are open.
Where are the best seats? We don't like to be too close to the front.
I recommend a seat in the middle, in row F or G. You get the best view and sound there.
Okay, I will choose these 2 seats right here, in the middle of row G.
Excellent choice. So, 2 adult tickets for King of the Jungle at 7 p.m. Is that correct?
Yes, that's it. How much is that?
Your total is $25.
Do you sell popcorn and drinks here?
We do. The concession stand is right behind you. You can kill 2 birds with 1 stone and buy your snacks after this.
Perfect. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Here are your tickets. Your theater is number 5, down the hall to the left.
Thank you so much for your help.
It's my pleasure. Break a leg. Oh, I mean, enjoy the show.
Thank you. I will.
Joining the gym.
Good morning.
Welcome to Carolina Fitness. How can I help you?
Hi, I live in the neighborhood and I am interested in joining your gym.
That's great. We are always happy to have new members. Do you have any questions or would you like a tour?
I'd like to ask a few questions first. How much is a monthly membership?
Our standard membership is $40 per month. That gives you access to all of our cardio and weight equipment.
Okay. And do you offer any fitness classes, like yoga?
We do. We have a premium membership for $60 a month that includes all of our classes.
That sounds interesting. What are your hours? I work late sometimes.
We are open 24 hours a day during the week and from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. on weekends.
24 hours? That's amazing. That really fits the bill for my schedule.
We try to make it convenient for everyone.
Is there a contract, or can I pay month by month?
There is no contract. You can cancel at any time. We like to keep things simple.
You have an answer for everything. This sounds like a great gym.
We think so. Would you like that tour now? I can show you the yoga studio.
Yes, please. I would love to see it.
Great. Follow me. The weight room is on your left, and right past it is our cardio cinema.
A cardio cinema? What's that?
You can watch a movie on a big screen while you run on the treadmill.
Wow, that's a cool idea.
And here is our yoga studio. The next class starts in an hour.
It's beautiful and so peaceful. Okay, I'm sold. I'd like to sign up for the premium membership.
Excellent choice. Let's go back to the front desk and get you started.
A trip to the mechanic.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to have my car looked at. It's making a funny noise.
Okay. Can you describe the noise?
It's a loud squeaking sound. I only hear it when I press the brakes.
A squeak when you brake. Got it. That usually means you need new brake pads.
Is that a big job? I am worried it will be very expensive.
Don't worry, it's a very common repair. It's usually not too costly.
That's a relief. How long will it take? I need my car for work tomorrow.
I understand. We'll need to put the car on the lift to be sure. We will take a look at it right away.
So you can fix it today?
That's the plan. First, we will do a free inspection. Then I will call you and tell you the exact cost.
You will call me with the price before you fix it?
Yes, always. We don't do any work until you say it's okay. We are very by the book here.
That is great to hear. Thank you.
Can I get your name and phone number?
Yes, my name is Linda, and my number is 555-0123.
Okay, Linda. I will call you in about an hour after we look at it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
It's our job. We'll get your car safe and back on the road.
I'll wait for your call.
Sounds good. We'll talk to you soon.